edit, sort A, sort D, clear list.
Yeah, so right now you can, oh, that's right, I forgot this stupid computer doesn't have what it needs. Use my calculator. Alright, let me catch up. So probably the most used part of this calculator for us is going to be where we go into edit. This is where you enter data. So everybody go to your, is everybody with how I got here? So, you see your stat button. Hit your stat button and you get there. Is everybody with me there? Everybody with me? Now hit edit. So you can edit your list of data. Now don't freak out. That's data I put in my calculator, so nobody say, I don't have that. Of course you don't. Let's clear these lists. Right? So if I hit the up button right now, I can control list 1. And if I hit it, so up makes it go to L1. Everybody with me? Now hit clear. Don't hit delete, because that would actually kill list 1. It would just go away. Hit clear, enter. And now you should have a nice empty list 1. How's everybody doing? This is going to help you with the last problem on this sheet. Now let's all put some data in there. Let's put 78, 71, that's 74, Jeff. 54, 69, 87. Sure. All right, how are we doing? Everybody getting those in there? It's the most exciting thing. Now let's sort this sucker. Right, it's the most basic thing. This calculator should be able to sort it. So if I go back to stat, hit stat again, hit stat. Now what do you think is the difference between the two sorts? Sort A, sort D? Yeah, ascending and descending. So we're going to do ascending from low to high. Sort ascending. And do you see how it's got like a parenthesis? So it's waiting for input. Which list do I want to sort? List 1, because that's where I put that data. So where do you say where list 1 is? Right above the number 1. So somebody said shift second key is very important. Yes, second 1 to make it say L1 on the screen. So everybody, you got to tell it which list to sort, or it's going to freak out. Right? And then if you hit enter, it's very anticlimactic. If you hit enter, it just says, okay,
Done.
I'm done. So if you go back in, you hit stat, edit, now it's in order. Yay! So on the reverse of this sheet, you're going to want to put all your data in and make the calculator sort it so all this classes stuff and the frequency stuff will be quicker. You guys with me? We'll find out. Go for it. Start doing this. If you want to do the last problem first, feel free. That's the one that creates histograms, so if you want to do that first, that's probably what I would do if I were you. Turn the speed off.